I am talking about the care of you. Who are you inside? Your values, your beliefs, your flaws. And once you understand who is really that person is, you would have taken the first step in finding your unique self. And that is the best version for you, who I am really. Most often, we don't allow ourselves the ability to dream beyond our imagination. We don't allow ourselves to think about the future because we are afraid of change. We are afraid to move away from what is familiar. Either that or something, we are too rigid to let our dream evolve loose up. Change is the only constant thing in life, and you are never too old or never too experienced to learn something new. Believe that you have everything already as your Brahmasas in your will to be able to be and achieve your dreams. Be fearless. Be fearless. Nothing happens in our life what we want, and that all are little painful and little small for you and for your success. I made choices that I wanted for myself. So that is my rule number 2. Let your dream fly. Give them wings. Be who you want. Be who you want to be just by being fearless. Now, opportunity, that another important part of being fearless. There are very funny things on these opportunities. They don't come very often. They come far and few between. But when they do we recognize them? Our job is to recognize them and make the most of them. I look back on all the things that I have done and I marvel the opportunities that came my way. No matter where you are in life. Rule number 3 is you have never arrived enough to explore the new opportunities, and there's nothing wrong with being ambitious. Nothing wrong to being ambitious. Be greedy for your ambitious. Be hungry for it. Rule number 4. Do not compromise. Do not settle in your dream. Rule number 5. Hate to fail. Hate, it means failure is nothing that you can do to stop. Failure is nothing that you can do to stop. That it is what you do after, and that will define where you go and who are you in a real way. Always remember, you will never truly enjoy success until you have tasted failure. So fail, and rise like the sun. Rule number 6. Tell me, what is life without a little bit of risk? Take educated risk, not funny risk. Take educated risk to evolve, because if you have not truly explored the full extent of your possibilities, you will always remain stagnant. Behold and take risk. Rule number 6. Thank you.